Yes, AI will replace some jobs. But here's the twist. It will also create millions of new ones. Let's explore 10 futuristic careers that will exist by 2030, thanks to artificial intelligence. As AI grows more powerful, companies will need ethics experts to make sure algorithms stay fair, transparent, and human-centered. Prompt engineers design the questions and commands that make AI tools smarter. By 2030, they'll be the new software architects, crafting ideas into AI conversations. AI models need training, and that means clean, well-labeled data. AI trainers will teach machines to recognize emotions, voices, and complex patterns. AI will fight AI. Future cybersecurity analysts will use intelligent systems to predict, detect, and stop digital attacks in real time. Digital twin engineers create virtual copies of real-world systems, from cities to human organs, to test, simulate, and predict outcomes safely. Doctors won't be replaced, they'll be upgraded. Future medical professionals will use AI diagnostics to save lives faster and more accurately than ever before. The metaverse needs architects. AI-assisted designers will build immersive digital cities, worlds, and experiences. Companies will hire people who specialize in improving collaboration between humans and intelligent machines, like digital mediators. Education will become personalized. Teachers will work alongside AI tutors to create custom learning experiences for every student. AI can track pollution, optimize energy, and fight climate change, but it needs specialists to guide it. AI sustainability experts will make the planet smarter and greener. The age of AI isn't about losing jobs, it's about transforming them. The question isn't whether you'll work with AI, it's whether you'll lead it. Subscribe to Cyborg, where the future begins today.